Alright, here we are again, movers and shakers, and just for this video we're going to have a quick look at the bike and just have a look at some modifications I've done. So it won't be a massive video, and then probably on the next video we'll be looking at how not to go down a hill, some experiences on that and what you can learn from that when I show it. Anyway, for this video, just some modifications I've done on the bike. Flick the camera around now. We've got some GPS that I put on, and as you can see, I fitted off a GPS system that is connected in to the battery, and it also just electricals turn off when the bike's switched off, so it doesn't drain any power. Pretty good so far. I might do actually a whole video on that myself, or you know, down the track, and just tell you it was sort of a cheaper GPS system, I think, from China. Anyway, so that's the first mod that I've done. The second mod, well, that was actually probably the second mod. The first mod that I put on here was your charger and two USB ports here. That again is connected into the battery. Got a fuse on it, so if something goes wrong with it, then it'll just do the fuse and won't actually affect the bike. It's also got an on-off switch, which is a great thing in case you have your bike on, or this is staying on all the time. Not good, could drain the battery. So really handy for charging, phone, any other items that you've got, camera, so on and so on, during your trip, and then you're charged up when you get there. Then also auxiliary, that will power what did I buy, a pump for pumping up tyres and any other items that you might need to use it for. So that's anyway, that's the two add-ons so far. On the front end, as you can see, I'm going to have to move this because it probably needs to be on the right side, because it's right in front of the speedometer, which is a little bit annoying. Alright, so on to our third mod. As you can see here, I might go from the back, Toolbox, and all that actually was a 100ml bit of storm water that I've just sprayed up, a couple of clips with storm water clips, and I've just bought some brackets from Bunnings, local hardware place, large hardware place here in Australia, and just fitted those off. You know, over time these might come off over time, but I can just replace them, so that's not an issue. Painted up black, so it sort of works quite well. Put all my tools in here. Couldn't quite get all the tools in, but I might do another video on that, on downsizing on some of my tools. But the only thing that I actually couldn't fit in there was a pump and spare tyres, which I've just got in the back here for the minute. So yeah, we'll see about what I can do with that later with downsizing on tools. Anyway, they're the current mods. Bag, put a tank bag on, and might go over. I actually got a couple of bags now, so yeah, might go over those soon. Might go over what bags I'm using, whether they're decent. I have to go on a trip first, although I did go on one trip, but anyway, that's probably for another video. So signing off for now, and see you on the next one.